In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your AirPods Pro not resetting or connecting and any of the issues you might be having. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, all you want to do firstly is, I have my AirPods Pro 3 right here. Obviously, make sure they're fully charged. Whenever they're not connected to anything on your iPhone, this should come up. It says AirPod Pro not connected to this iPhone. But if it doesn't come up, what you got to do is enter your AirPods into pairing mode. So what you got to do that is double tap on the middle of your AirPods case, like so, and then eventually it should enter pairing mode. So now, as you can see, they're in pairing mode. It has the little white dot and it's flashing. That's basically pairing mode. So now what you want to do, you can exit out of this if you want to, or you can just press connect. But while it's still into pairing mode, you're going to see it in other devices. So wait for it to come up in other devices. It's right there. All you got to do is go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to say connected. So it's as simple as that. You got to make sure it's in pairing mode. For some reason, they removed any physical buttons from your AirPods Pro 3. So it can be pretty annoying to like double tap, but you got to make sure it's right in the middle when you go ahead and double tap. And obviously make sure your case and AirPods are charged, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.